None right, none right. My ankle, ow. That was fucking. Push up. Shit, one behind the crate. No, one behind the crate, one behind. One right there. On the concrete thing. My barrel's fucking up because I had paint in it.
What?
On the concrete thing.
No, what's wrong with your barrel?
It's Apex 2.
Oh.
Shit's going everywhere. Guys, we got one in the concrete cylinder.
Concrete dildo?
It's concrete cylinder, yeah. Same shit.
Oh, no, no.
I think we're already most of the way already up there. Nice, good shit, man. Farley just like wrecking over here. Yo, hold on to it for now. Over the van, over the van, over the van.
Hey, behind the crates in front of you.
Same team. Someone just hit me on the top of my gun from behind.
Hey, you gotta grab behind the car. You gotta grab behind the car. I'll take care of him.
Same team. Quinn. Same team. We're on your team. Same team. Yo, dude, I'm on your team. I'm on your team, man. Okay, this guy's still shooting at me. I'm on your team. Yeah. What? Sure. I'm not sure.
Player dead ahead to your about at your 1 or 2 o'clock girl. Girl to your right, behind the next.
Above the van. On your team. Yo, same team. Same team. Put your fucking, oh my god. He's shooting friendlies and he has his mask off. Where?
Helicopter! Helicopter! What is helicopter?
Van. What, dude, Quinn, we got one in the van. Okay, no, we're good now.
Ready?
Want to do it?
I got 2 bags left. We haven't good, man.
All right. Watch your left, Quinn. Watch your left. All right, I'm doing the same shit he is.
You're gonna head up to there?
Yeah.
Helicopter! Look, helicopter!
All right. Give me a little bit of cover fire, all right? 3, 2. Same team! I'm on your team! That almost fucked me over. Quinn, helicopter!
No break.
Quinn, there's one by the helicopter. Damn! I cannot hit shit. Yeah! You're out! You're out! Surrender! You're out! Surrender! Surrender! Surrender right now or you're dead. Fuck! Quinn, come around the chopper! Ah! Nice shot, man.